Frequent travelers navigating through international airports can benefit greatly from knowing specific phrases and terminology that can make their journey smoother. Here are 25 advanced phrases and vocabulary often used in the context of airports and air travel. Advanced airport phrases. 1. Priority boarding. The process of allowing certain passengers, such as those with elite status or those traveling with young children, to board the aircraft before the general boarding process begins. 2. Oversold flight. A situation where an airline has sold more tickets for a particular flight than the number of available seats. 3. Code share. An agreement between airlines that allows them to share flight operations and market each other's flights as their own. 4. Interline agreement. An agreement between airlines that allows them to transfer passengers and their luggage from one airline to another on separate tickets. 5. Sixth freedom rights. The right of an airline to carry passengers or cargo from a second country to a third country with a stopover in the airline's home country. 6. Pre-clearance. The process of clearing customs and immigration formalities before boarding an international flight, typically at the departing airport. 7. Sterile area. The secure area of an airport terminal where passengers are screened and can only access after going through security checkpoints. 8. Transiting connecting. The process of transferring from one flight to another, often involving a change of aircraft or terminal. 10. Flat tire rule. A policy that allows airlines to deny boarding to passengers who arrive at the gate after the final boarding call, even if the aircraft is still at the gate. 10. A crew rest. A mandatory rest period for airline crew members to ensure they comply with flight time limitations and safety regulations. 11. Slot control. The allocation of time slots for aircraft to take off or land at airports with high traffic volumes to manage air traffic flow. 12. Passenger name record, PNR. A record in an airline's reservation system that contains all the details of a passenger's itinerary, including flight numbers, dates, and contact information. 13. Fuel dumping. The controlled release of excess fuel from an aircraft before landing. Typically done for safety reasons or to reduce the aircraft's weight. 14. Deadhead crew. Airline crew members who are being transported as passengers to their next working assignment. 15. Codeshare paradox. A situation where two airlines have a codeshare agreement, but the flight number and airline operating the flight differ from the marketed flight information. Familiarizing yourself with these advanced airport phrases and vocabulary can help you better understand airline operations, communicate more effectively with staff, and navigate the complexities of frequent travel with ease. Now, the following advanced phrases can greatly enhance the smoothness of your journey. 16. Can I have an exit row seat? Useful for those who desire more legroom, as exit row seats typically provide extra space. 17. Is there an earlier flight I can be switched to? Useful if you arrive early at the airport or your plans have changed. 18. Could you please put a fragile tag on my luggage? Important for travelers carrying delicate items. 19. I'd like to request a special meal. Necessary for dietary restrictions or preferences. Most airlines require this to be done in advance. 20. Can I access the lounge with my frequent flyer status? Pertinent for frequent travelers who might have lounge access through their airline loyalty program.